तो मैं उनसे पूछूंगा कि मदर इन जो सास हैं, नंद हैं, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है कि वो कैसे माँ को या अपनी बहू को कैसे सपोर्ट कर सके. So Dr. Hassan, again, I think it was a very powerful message, and as we know that in Pakistan, we have mothers who live in a combined family system.
Yes.
With mother-in-law, with sister-in-law, father-in-law. What message you want to give to a mother-in-law or a sister-in-law or to a husband, how they can be more supportive to the mom so that she can take care of the baby?
Well, it's a really good question. I think that the way that families can support the mother as she goes through pregnancy and childbirth include respecting the mother's feelings and the mother's ideas about what she needs, but also communicating to her the wisdom that they have from tradition. And then it is all of their jobs to try to find some kind of balance between those two messages, which often conflict. And I'm reminded of two stories of the lady health workers. One, a beautiful story, is the story of the mother who was nursing her new baby, and no, she was feeding her baby, who was about 6 months old, and or 1 year old, and then there was a 2-year-old running around the house, and she was newly pregnant with a third child. And she said to the lady health worker, I just can't do this. I can't do this. And the lady health worker said, well, where is your mother-in-law? And the woman said, she and I had a disagreement, and now we are estranged from each other. And the lady health worker left the mother, and what did she do? She went to the mother-in-law, and she said to the mother-in-law, if you want healthy grandchildren, you must support your daughter-in-law, because she is under so much stress, and the stress is bad for her, but it's also bad for the baby she's carrying, and it's bad for the babies in the home who have already been born. So when the lady health worker came back to visit the mother again, she noticed that she was doing better, and she said, how are you? And the mother said, I am much better, because my mother-in-law and I reconciled, and now she is helping me. And that's a very important story.